Welcome to DhruboSphere. Today, we're learning about 10 wonderful birds from around the world. Some fly high, some swim, and some sing beautifully. Are you ready, little bird explorers? Let's spread our wings and begin. Sparrow. Sparrows are small, cute, and always active. They hop from place to place, searching for seeds and tiny insects. You'll often hear their cheerful chirp-chirp early in the morning. Sparrows live close to humans and build tiny nests in roofs, trees, and little corners. They love company and move around in friendly groups. Peacocks are famous for their magical feathers. Long, colorful, and shining like jewels. When a peacock dances, it spreads its beautiful fan-shaped tail and shakes it gently. Kids love watching its blue and green feathers sparkle in the sunlight. Peacocks make loud calls during rain and are known as the dancing kings of the bird world. Parrots are bright green and full of personality. They are clever birds that can copy human words and sounds. Some parrots can even say, "Hello." They use their strong curved beaks to crack nuts and climb branches like little acrobats. Parrots love fruits, seeds, and spending time with their flock. Eagles are strong, brave birds with wide wings. They fly very high, sometimes higher than tall buildings and mountains. Eagles have powerful eyes that can spot their food from far away. They glide smoothly in the sky and build large nests on cliffs and tall trees. They are truly the kings of the sky. Penguins can't fly, but they are fantastic swimmers. Their bodies are shaped like little torpedoes, helping them zoom through icy water. Penguins walk with funny waddle steps that make everyone smile. They live in cold places, huddle together to stay warm, and love sliding on ice like kids on a playground. Owls stay awake at night and sleep during the day. Their big round eyes help them see in the dark. Owls fly silently, so quietly that you can't hear their wings at all. They turn their heads almost all the way around and make a hoo-hoo sound. Owls live in forests and old trees, keeping the night peaceful. Flamingos are tall, graceful, and completely pink. They stand on one long leg while resting, a funny and unique pose. Flamingos get their pink color from their food, like tiny shrimp. They live in large groups near lakes and look like walking cotton candy clouds. Woodpecker, a real drummer of the forest. Woodpeckers use their strong beak to tap, tap, tap on tree trunks. They make holes to find insects hiding inside the wood. Their heads move super fast when they peck, and their sound can be heard from far away. Woodpeckers are hardworking and very busy birds. Ducks are friendly birds that love water. Their flat beaks help them scoop food from the water, and their webbed feet help them swim like tiny paddles. Ducks say quack, quack, and enjoy swimming in pairs or families. Baby ducks follow their mother in a straight, cute little line. Pigeons are gentle birds found in cities, parks, and rooftops. They are great flyers and can travel long distances. Long ago, Pigeons carried messages because they always find their way home. Today, we see them eating grains, walking calmly, and living peacefully among people. Wow, we learned about so many incredible birds today. Birds make our world colorful with their songs, dances, and beautiful feathers. Thank you for learning with DhruboSphere, where learning is always fun and magical. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye-bye, little learners!